Deep reinforcement learning method for demand response management of interruptible load. This project is an important part of incentive demand response. Interruptible load can achieve a rapid response and improve demand side resilience. The existing system of this project performance is low and learning is slow. In our proposed system, we implement the different reinforcement algorithms such Markov decision process and state action reward state action. It has a high performance, training time is low, and while implementing SA or RSA, the learning is fast. The modules are data selection, policy, Markov decision process, SRSA, and performance. Some screenshots from our project. Experimental results analysis showed that our proposed method is efficient and can achieve better performance results when compared with refinement